So can you talk to us through just what is capable, what's not capable with NetSuite native KPIs from SuiteTalk to SOAP Restlets? I'm starting off, things are brand new. I don't have a maybe pre-configured integration. Maybe Soligo doesn't have beyond IO, a native connector, whether it be Salesforce or Shopify. What should I be looking at? How should I be considering things as I'm trying to integrate the good old-fashioned way?
Yeah, so definitely look at Restlets. It's where the future is. Stateless, lightweight. XML and SOAP and web services is great, but let's just say it's not. I doubt that there's going to be any functional enhancements to the SOAP SuiteTalk API calls, whereas the Restlets are constantly making changes to. And a lot of times in our development, we create our own endpoints for the APIs because it's just easier, because we can control more versus we call just the sales order, and then we have to call the sales order collection. We have to call the customer collection, the item collection. We can encapsulate it in an all-in-one API, so we can update a customer, an item, and a sales order all within one endpoint, so that we're not having to make multiple calls back and forth for that. But if you're just starting out, I would definitely get a good understanding of the RESTlet, RESTful APIs that NetSuite publishes is public. You literally type in RESTlet or RESTful API documentation NetSuite, and it'll pull up. And they have a full browser on it. And, they've been working on that for a couple of years now. I remember when it was like 10 things and a lot was in beta. It was there. It was just in beta testing. So they're continuing to evolve with that. And I just think that's the future of where they're going. Now, we still do SFTP integrations all the time for flat file when the juice just isn't worth the squeeze. With the SFTP, what you can do is you can automate moving that from an SFTP server into the file cabinet. And then once it's in the file cabinet, you can write a quick script that will call a CSV import that will import that CSV file directly into NetSuite. It uses a lot of native NetSuite. You can manage it through the CSV import, so you can actually see the mappings, and if you need to make updates. That has its own drawbacks and caveats, of course, because you're dealing with the way NetSuite does CSV imports, which is okay, not ideal.
Right.
And I will say an easy way to get data in and out, plug in a partner here, but Soligo's, what do they call it, Cloud Extend, where you can push data into Excel and map it and update directly push that directly into NetSuite, is a pretty powerful tool. You just got to be careful.